Viewers, we have a project in Riyadh Space Fair. Well, so this is the Riyadh Space Fair. We have here a project for the CCTV. You can say with the CCTV cabling camera and wireless camera too. Okay, and we will install here Hik Central with the IBMS software to configure all of them through remote views. So let's see our camera one by one. So here we are connecting with the switches IP camera. So we put the IP address, you can see over here, IP address, it's from the switches. Then we make the password and then confirm. So it will be confirmed now. And see, all our camera is active now. Hello viewers, already our camera install finished. So you can see here, you can see all the camera. This is a Riyadh Space farewell exhibition. So you see the march here, over here. So, and then we have here also some cameras. Then I will show you one more. And then here. And then you have camera over here. And then I have one more camera, it is here. So guys, so see you with the next location, next project. Bye for today.